In 1519, the world was a vast and uncharted wilderness. Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese sailor under the auspices of Charles I of Spain, dared to venture into the unknown. He had a dream, a vision that was as bold as it was perilous, to find a western route to the Spice Islands. This path, he believed, lay in circumnavigating the globe. 5 ships, teeming with the hopes and fears of their crews, launched from Seville. Yet, as they would soon discover, the sea does not give up its secrets easily. Within months, the perils of the voyage sparked a mutiny among the Spanish captains. Magellan's authority was challenged, but with stern resolve, he quelled the rebellion. This was but the opening act to a drama that would unfold in the uncharted waters of the world. Their journey took them to the southernmost tip of South America, where they navigated through a treacherous labyrinth of currents and winds. It was here that the Strait of Magellan was discovered, a passage that led them from the Atlantic to the Pacific. Emerging from the strait, they found themselves in the immense expanse of the Pacific Ocean, a sight no European had seen before. But the Pacific, named for its perceived tranquility, was deceptive. It held trials and tribulations that would test the very limits of human endurance. Yet, through it all, the fleet forged ahead, carrying the indomitable spirit of their leader. In the Philippines, however, the journey took a tragic turn. Magellan, the visionary who had orchestrated this historic expedition, fell in battle against indigenous warriors. His death was a staggering blow, but it did not mark the end of the voyage he had initiated. Under the stewardship of Juan Sebastian Elcano, the expedition pressed on. The trials were immense, but so was their resolve. Almost 3 years since they had left Seville, the sole surviving ship, the Victoria, returned to Spain. The crew was weary, their numbers diminished, but they had achieved the unthinkable. They had circumnavigated the globe, proving the world was round and interconnected by vast, navigable oceans. Magellan's voyage forever altered our understanding of the world. It was a testament to human courage, resilience, and an unquenchable thirst for discovery. Though Magellan himself did not live to see his dream fulfilled, his spirit carried the expedition to its historic conclusion. The legacy of this journey continues to inspire us, reminding us of what humanity can achieve when we dare to venture into the unknown. Thank you for your passion for our collective past. Before you go, make sure to immortalize your presence by liking, subscribing, and add your thoughts in the comments below.